Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the notification sound on Slack. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change the sound that appears every time you go ahead and receive a message or notification from Slack. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Slack. Then on the upper right hand corner, click on your profile icon. Now, once you're on this option here, go ahead and click on notifications and then go ahead and scroll down. And then you're going to see under sound and appearances where it says sound. So this is where you could actually go ahead and change the sound of your Slack notifications. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change the sound for Slack notifications. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.